This Victorian mansion, located on the most esteemed street in New Orleans, Saint Charles Avenue, is located right in front of the streetcar. And most luxury properties would cost you money. This one is going to make you money. This is the breakfast room in this beautiful Thomas Sully mansion. You're going to see the soaring ceilings, stunning woodwork, and this property has 10 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, and is almost 8,000 square feet. You're going to love every bit of it. This may be one of my favorite rooms in the house. I love the dental molding, the woodwork, and you can really see the Thomas Sully design. This is currently being used for an office or guest reception, but you can use it for whatever you'd like, and it leads right to the kitchen. This entry was here that carriages could pull up and then come out for formal events and still have covering when they were getting out of the carriage. Let's go to the balcony. This is one of the guests' favorite spots. We're not going to be able to see every room today because we do have guests. One of my favorite architectural details is all these colorful transoms that are above the doors. It's so beautiful. What I love about this property is it's in pristine condition, but there is room for growth and for improvement. These are great bathrooms, but you can put your own spin on it and make them even nicer. One of my favorite features of this property is the owner's suite. It's got 3 bedrooms, an office, incredible balcony views, a kitchen, and its own living room. If you want a property with the best views in the city of New Orleans, give me a call, 504-300-5179.